Welcome to Pencil Kids Preschool, where little minds discover, explore and grow. Located in the heart of Selvapuram, Coimbatore, Pencil Kids offers a warm, secure and joyful environment for children aged 2 to 5 years. Our programs include Playgroup ages 2 to 3 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Pre-KG ages 3 to 4 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. LKG and UKG ages 4 to 5 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. At Pencil Kids, learning happens through play, creativity and exploration. Our approach focuses on child-centered learning, hands-on experiences and holistic development. We believe every child is unique. Our qualified and caring teachers nurture each little one with attention, encouragement and love, just like family. From early language and number skills to motor development, creativity and confidence, we build strong foundations for a lifetime of learning. Join Pencil Kids Preschool today and give your child a joyful and enriching start to their learning journey. For admissions and enquiries, call 8940091919 or visit our website.